friends, today we're going to be going over synonyms. Synonyms are words that have the same meaning. And I've got Jocelyn here and she's going to help me today. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So I'm going to write synonyms up at the top of our board because that's what we're doing. So how about this? I'm going to give Jocelyn a word and she's going to come up with a word that means the same thing as my word. What about big?
Big? Large.
Large. Very good. Yay, very good. All right. What about small?
Little.
Good. What about the word cold?
Cold. Let's see, cold. Cool?
Cool. I'll do that. What about the word hot?
Hot. That is, let's see, blazing.
Blazing. That sounds good.
I think that means a little hotter than hot.
Yeah, I think you're right. Good. And let's do one more. Let me think. It's the same as. What about the word close? Give me a synonym for the word close. Means the same thing.
How about near?
Oh, that's very good. Very good. All right. Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome.
I want you to make an impression, leave an impact. Do your best, okay? There's a button down in the bottom right of your screen. Smash that subscribe button so that you see our videos. And also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.